so today I'm going to unbox this. This is a 10-pack of KORKY 54 BP 2-inch toilet tank flapper, black color. It's a Contractor pack, and this is an open item. I got this out of eBay for $23, and then free shipping with the tax and everything is $25 and then 01 cents. So let's go ahead and take it out and then show you guys what it look like. So it also comes with the chain and then the hook. These are manufactured in the USA by KORKY. Lavelle industry. So there's like an indentation right here. So maybe you have like a hot water build up or sediment right here. So when you have those build up, this flap will not have a nice seal, and then you're gonna have like a self flash or a ghost flash or water leaking through your toilet bowls. You could use like a vinegar and then soak it through, but unfortunately mine has like a rubber that is eat up or got damaged. Okay. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you want to go and then go through all of them. See, like this. This one, it looks like it has a water marking already. So this is an open or return item from customer. So that's why it's so cheap. Because normally if this is in like a individual retail package, it's going to cost about $6 to $7, depends on the store that you purchase from. So that's why I purchase in bulk. It is cheaper that way, but normally you purchase in bulk, you save more money that way. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.